lecture that like we have done this one question already, or still we have left this one question? We have not done this question. Anyone please confirm me that in the previous one previous one lecture, I think that we have not covered up this one this one question.
Sir, we have done this till questions.
This question is already completed.
Yes, sir. This was the last question which was
Yes,
given in the class.
Okay. So like we have a question here. Okay, can I share that this question on the poll in LPO Live?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to share that this question on LPO Live, right? So over here I'm giving that poll. Okay, so like you can just give the answer for this one question. Sorry. Okay, so it will be having 4 options. Okay, and you can solve that. Okay, you can just do it to your question. Okay, solve this one question. It will be having your 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, summation m is 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, right?
Sir, to save the time, you can just paste the whole question in the question box and just write ABCD in the poll.
Okay. No issue. I'll give it here. Okay, now it's fine. Might be that it's not visible here. In the poll, like you will not get that your answers.
Sir, in the poll, just click A, B, C. That's it, sir.
No. The options.
Sir, when we click on it, we can read the whole question, sir.
Okay, done. Okay. But we have to write here.
So set the options A, B, C, D.
Just a wait. Please. Okay. Now it's visible to all of you. Can you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please do it quickly. I can only see. Okay, one more option is there. A, B, C, D. Please try to solve this one question. Later on, I'll also discuss with you that how you can solve this one question. But at least you have to solve this one. I'll tell you that how you can solve this one question, because lots of the students are giving their wrong answer. Okay, because as I can see that most of the students are give their answer as C. Okay, so that is not the correct one answer. Okay, see here what will be the correct answer here in this one question, right? So the correct answer for this one question, okay, we have over here min-terms are 1, 2, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, these are the min-terms which are given here. Okay, now it means that it is your particularly, this one is your particularly, just a wait. Do not give your answer here in the LP Live. Okay, just a wait. I'll tell you that. We have this one variable that the question is given as, like we have here, please 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, the question is given as 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 6. We have A here, B, C here. That is 0, it is 1. It is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Okay, so we the min-terms are 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, okay, 4, 6 and 7. So what are the possible pairs? Okay, so the possible pairs are, first pair is this one, the highest one. Second is this one, right? And we have the third one is, okay, like we have third one is this one, the corner one. Okay, with 4 and 6. Then at last we have the last one pair is this one. So how many pairs are there? 2 and 6, right? Then we have 6 and 7. We have 4 and 6, and we have a single pair, that is 1. Okay. Now write the expression for this one. So what will be the expression here? So first of all, write the expression for this single one. It will be your A bar, B bar, C. Okay. Now write the expression for this. This is done. Now write the expression for 2 and 6. So 2 and 6, okay. In this, A is not common, so leave it. Check B and C. So B and C for 2 and 6 will be common for this one pair. Okay. So it will be your B, C bar plus next one, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. In this one, A is common because A is having a value that is 1. So we can take A. Okay. Now B and C. So B will not change. So it means it is common. Okay. So what will be the first one? Like the first one here, A bar, B bar, C plus B, C bar plus AB. Okay. So 6 and 7 is now clear. Okay. Now we are going to take that 4 and 6. So 4 and 6. Okay. We have A is common for both. Okay. A is common for both, right? Then after that, check B and C. So B will be your changing from 0 to 1. B is changing from 0 to 1. C is common. So that's why we have a C bar here. Okay. So which one is this option? This option AC bar, right?
Sir, B
BC
option.
bar, AB bar C. So that means B option is the correct one option here. Understand? Understand how you can pair this thing? All of you have any doubt here?
Sir, I'm
Now do
having
you
a
have
doubt,
that
sir.
any doubt here?
No, sir, no
Okay.
doubts.
So I'll proceed to the next one. Okay.
Excuse me,
I'll
sir, I'm
proceed to
having
the
a doubt.
next one. Then yeah, please tell me.
Sir, why can't we group 1, 7, and 6 at a time, sir? Why are we grouping 1 and 6 and 7 and 6 in different groups, sir?
One, which one? Which one? One.
So 1, 7, and 6, sir, wrapping around the what is it, the K map.
No, it is not possible here. Why? Why? Because the thing is 1, 7, and 6. Okay, like in this way, in this one line, you cannot make the group. The group should be always in the form of your particularly, it will be in the form of the right angles. Like you can make the group in vertical, you can make the group in horizontal, like in that way. You cannot make the diagonal group. 1 and 7 should be your diagonal. Okay, that will be your diagonal, 1 and 7. Understand? Okay. Please do not write in the chat box because it's difficult to me that check to every question here. All of you have, please solve this one question and tell me your answer directly. Okay. Tell me your answer directly. Solve this one question, or otherwise I'll tell you that how you can solve this one question. Okay. So just see here. Okay, how you can solve this one question, right? This one question can be solved as like over here we have in a particular the expression is given in the form of A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A B C bar plus ABC, like in this way. Okay, so here we have A bar B bar C bar. So what is this min term? That is 0. A bar B bar C is what? That is 1. A bar B bar C bar is what? That is 4. A B C bar is what? It is 6. Okay, then we have a 7. Okay, so that means again it is a 3 variable K map, right? Again it is a 3 variable K map. In this 3 variable K map, we have min terms are okay 0, 0, 1, 4, 6, and 7. All of you have, please do it at your copy also. Okay. Just a wait. We are going to draw that K map here. A, BC 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 and 1. Okay, so we have 0 1 4 6 and 7. Okay, that is your 0 cell 1 3 2 7 6 5 4. Okay, so options are 0 1 4, then we have 6, we have a 7. Okay, so what are the possible pair here? So the first one possible pair is this one, right? Second one possible pair is this one. The third one pair is this one. Now all ones are consumed, so according to that, what will be the expression here? That means we have a 0 and 1, the first one pair. Second one pair is 0 4. Okay, third one pair is 6 and 7, right? So these are the pairs here. According to that, what will be the values for 0 and 1? So A is common for this, so it will be your A bar. Y is equal to A bar. Okay, so B is also common, but C is changed from 0 to 1. So that means A bar, B bar plus. Second one 0 4. For 0 4, A will be changed from 0 to 1. So we will leave it. We have common as B and C. So it will be your B bar, C bar plus. Third one is 6 and 7. In this one, A is common. So it will be your A. B is also common, but C is changed from 1 to 0. Okay. So this will be the expression, reduced expression for this one form. So which one is the option? A is the right one answer. Okay. Now, is
Sir,
there
I
any
have a
doubt
doubt.
here? Yeah,
Sir,
please.
instead of having 0 and 4, can we not have 4 and 6? Will it not be valid?
Like you can do it. There's the two kind of the options. Okay. But the answer will change.
Yes, sir,
If you
yes, sir. The
have
answer
done
is
that
different.
4, if you have done that 4 and 6, okay. So that means your value will change here. So you have to find out which one is given in the options.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Done. So come to the next one, right? So next one we have solve that. Now we are going to solve this one question, right? Now here in this one question, we are particularly here. Okay. That we have here, the expression is given as summation M 1 5 7 9 11 13 and 15. Okay, this is the expression is given, right? So it means that it will be total, it will be your completely 16, you can say 4 variable, total 16 cells are there, right? In this 4 variable you have 16 cells, right? So draw that all the cells here, or you can say draw that 4 variable K map. Okay, A, B, C, and D, right? And write the cell values 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Then we have 8, 9, then 11, 10. We have 12, then 13, 15, okay, and 16. Right? In this way, we have to going that it will be your 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Right? Now, what is the expression? Expression is 1, 5. Okay. Then we have 7, 9, 11. Then we have 13 and 15. Right? So what will be the possible maximum pair here? For this one question, what will be the maximum pair? Which one is the maximum pair in this one question?
Sir, the quad 13, 15, 9, 11.
How many quads are there?
Sir, 2 quads 5, 7, 13, 15, and 13, 15, 9, 11.
2 quads. I am saying that it's having total 3 quads. Okay, see here how it is 3. See here, the first one quad
Yes,
is
sir. Found.
vertically.
Vertical one.
Okay, now consume this one. Okay, we have this one quad, right? Then after that, these two are also left. So again, we have an quad here. Okay, we have an quad here like this one. So how many total values? Okay, first quad is we have 1, 1, 5, 13. Okay, and we have a 9. That is first one quad. Second one quad is 5, 7, 13, and 15. Right? Third one quad is 13, 15, 9, and 11. 13, 15, 9, and 11. Now write the value for this one. So for 1, 5, 13, and 9, this will be vertical quad. Okay. In this vertical quad, both A and B will change. Both A and B will change here. But what is the common? Common is C and D. So it will be your C bar D directly. Okay. Second one quad 5, 7, 13, 15. In this one, A is changed from 0 to 1, but B is not changed. Okay, B is not changed in 5, 7, 13, and 15. So that will be your B. Okay, now check C and D. C is changing from 0 to 1 for this 5, 7, 13, 15. C is changing from 0 to 1. So we can leave this one. Check D. D is not changing. So we have to write here D. Okay. Similarly for 13, 15, 9, and 11. For 13, 15, 9, and 11, first of all, check A. A is common. So take it. But B is changed. Leave it. Okay. Now check C. C is not common. It is changing from 0 to 1. Leave it. D is common. That is 1 and 1. Okay. So it will be your A and D. So this will be the reduced form for this one expression. Understand? Any doubt here? Do you have that any doubt here? It is clear. Can I go to the next one? All of you have clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next one is, in this one, next one question. We have pi m. This is the question for POS now. This one is the question for POS. We have pi m, okay, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. Okay, so it means that this is the question for 3 variable, right? So first of all, draw the 3 variable K map. A, B, and C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0 and 1 here. Okay, it will be your 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Expressions are given in the POS form because it's a pi m. Max terms are given. So we have to write it max term here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. Okay. Now what are the pairings? So the possible maximum highest pair is this one. Right? Second one pair is in the vertical 0 and 4. Okay. Second one pair is 0 and 4. Third one pair is 3 and 7. So, okay. We are talking about here that how you can do that, this kind of the pairing. So in the next time, I'll try to take your class in your this my class platform. 0, 1, 2. Sorry, these are zeros. 0. Please mute yourself. Then 4 and 7. Okay. So first one pair is 0, 1, 3, and 2. This is the first one pair, 0, 1, 3, 2. Second one pair is 0 and 4. Third one pair is 3 and 7. Right? Now here, how you can do this kind of the pairing? First of all, for this 0, 1, 3, 2, for this one pair, this is quad pair. For 0, 1, 3, 2, write the expression. Okay. In this one, B and C is changed for all 0, 1, 3, and 2, but only A is common. So what will be the expression here? So we have an expression as A dot, A only. Now for the second one term, 0 and 4. For 0 and 4, but be remember that you have to write the expression in the form of your POS. Okay. So the dot product will be there for the second one pair. Okay. This dot product should be here. Okay. For 0 and 4, A is changing from 0 to 1. So leave it. B and C is not changed. So that is 0, 0. So what we have? We have B plus C because these are 0, 0. In POS, if you be having a variable in the form of 0, 0, so that will be written as B plus C. Understand? If it will be 1, 1 for B and C, so it will be written as B dash plus C dash. Okay? For 1, 1. Right? Now, the next one pair, again dot is here. The next pair is 3 and 7. For 3 and 7, again A is changing, so leave it, but B and C is common. So we have B bar plus C bar here. So that will be this will be the complete reduced expression for this kind of the question. Understand? Any doubt here? Do you have that any doubt here? All of you have clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, so we are come to the next one case, that for your don't cares. Okay, what is the don't cares and where we are using these don't cares? Can be used for your particularly where you have to reduce the expression and you can make the possible highest pair. Okay, with using your don't care. Okay, at that ends we can use our don't cares. Right? So how you can use these don't cares? Like you can see here, okay. K-map using your don't care. So what will be the first example? Like I'll give you that one example here. The question is, we have an expression summation M, okay, 1, 5, 6, 12, 13, and 14. Okay. Plus D will be here. D will be represented by don't cares. Okay. So don't cares will always represented by the notation as X, or you can say cross. It may be your 0 or it may be your 1 according to the expression. If expression will ask in the form of the SOP, then it will be a 1. It will consider as 1. If expression is asked in the form of the POS, then it will be considered as 0. Okay, so how we can solve this kind of the question? Let's see here. First of all, draw the 4 variable K map. First of all, draw the 4 variable K map, because for this question we have a 4 variable K map. So this is your 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10. Then we have 12, 13, 15, 12, 13, 15, and 14. Like in this way. Okay. First of all, place the values for 1, 5, 6, 12, 13, and 14. So that is your 1, 5, 6. Then you have an 12. Okay, 1, 5, 6, 12, 13, and 14. What are the don't cares? So don't cares are your 2 and 4. These two terms are given in the don't cares. So here, as you know that this is the expression for, that is SOP. This is the expression for SOP. So these don't cares will be considered as here 1, 1. These don't cares are considered as your 1, 1. Right? So how you can make the pair? So whatever the don't care which is used for making the maximum pair, that only you have to use. If is there, that is not necessary that you have to use that all the don't cares. Okay, it is only that one condition that if you have making a maximum possible highest pair, then you can use your don't cares. Otherwise, there is no any kind of the meaning for the don't cares. Okay, so what will be the first of all maximum pair here? As you can see that we have a don't care in the fourth one cell. So if we are using this one don't care here, so we can make the first possible maximum pair as squared in this one. That means the first one pair is 4, 5, 12, and 13. This is the first one pair. Right? Now, second one pair, we can make it as this one, wrap around. Understand? So that is your 4, 12, 6, and 14. This is the second one possible pair. Now we have left this one and this don't care. So this one and don't care are not used, okay, because one gap is there. So we can make that a pair with this. We can make the pair with this one. Okay. So the 2 will remain empty. So you can leave it. Okay. It's not necessary that you have to use this one don't care. If it will be not used, then you can leave it. Okay. So what will be the next one pair? We have the next pair is 1 and 5 only. Okay. Now write the expression. So what will be the expression here for 4, 5, 12, and 13? Like first of all, start from A. A is changing from 0 to 1, so leave it. B is not changed, then take it. Now check
Sir.
C and D. Yes, please.
Sir, what about 2 and 6?
What about 2 and 6?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like I have told you here, like it's not necessary that you are always using your don't care. Okay. If you are using, let's suppose that 2 and 6 you are using. So this one is left alone. Okay. And to consume this one, again you have to pair with the 6 and 14. So you have to pair one more over there. Okay, so it's better that first of all, what is the first thumb rule? That first of all, try to make that a highest pair. Okay, first of all, try to make the highest pair and consume your all the ones in the K map or all the zeros in the K map. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, so that is the first thumb rule here. Okay, for 4, 5, 12, and 13. A is not common, B is common, so take it. C is again common, so that will be your C bar. Plus, second one quad is 4, 12, 6, and 14. So 4, 12, 6, 14. Okay, B is common again, and D is common. Okay, so that will be your B, D bar. Plus, okay, the last one pair 1 and 5. In 1 and 5, A is common, that is A bar. Okay, B is not common, leave it. C and D is common, so we have C bar D. So that will be the reduced expression. Do you have that any confusion here? How you can make the pair, or how you can write the expression value? Any one of you having any doubt? All if you have clear?
Sir, if there was one more don't care, that was in 10th one.
But
So we
your
could
voice
use
is
that.
very low. Your voice is very low. Can you please speak once again?
Sir, if there was another one in 10th place, should we take the cross also?
Yes. If is there anyone, let's suppose that let's suppose that I'll give you that option here. Okay, if you will be having 1 here, if let's suppose that you will be having 1 here, then you can use this don't care by making the quad. Okay, so this wrap around quad, there is no need to do this one. You have that direct pair here in the vertical 2, 6, 14 and 10. Understand? So this wraparound will not use here. You can use this one don't care and make the pair as 2, 6, 14 and 10. 2, 6, 14 and 10. If you have a 1 here at the 10, then then this don't care is used. Otherwise, it's not used. Okay, clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I was asking that if there was a cross in the 10th cell,
बेटा आपकी आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है, प्लीज थोड़ा लाउडली बोलोगे.
probably my internet connection is slow, sir.
Sir, he's saying what if there is another don't care in 10th cell?
In 10th, another don't care is given. Let's suppose that don't care is given here. This is the question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then again this one pair is there. Because you have an acquired here. You have an acquired here, na? Always you are using your don't
Sir.
cares if you have. Yes, please.
Sir, we will prefer this 2, 6, 14, 10 quad or the 4, 12, 6, 14 wrap around quad.
We are prefer that. Just a wait. Okay. Now I'll understand your confusion.
2 choices.
Yeah, I'll understand your confusion. Okay. See here what we have to done. Okay, just a wait. I'll show you that. Just a wait. Now here you are asking about this thing. Just a wait. Let me draw here once again. The pairs are that is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, and 14. Okay. You are saying that we have 1, 5, 6, don't care is here. Okay, don't care is here. Then after that 12, 13, 14 and don't care is also here. Okay, you are saying that 2, 4 and 10. One more don't care is here. 2, 4 and 10. Let's suppose that. So what will be the pairs are here? Okay, so we are going to make that pair the quad this one. Okay, pair this one, right? Then we have to prefer that. Okay, there will be a 2 choice. Either you can do that this one pair if you are using don't care, but we are always avoiding the don't cares if your pair can be made with the maximum number of the ones. So we have to always prefer in first priority like this one wrap around. Understand? Now your
Yes, sir, the
confusion
doubt is clear now.
Now doubt is clear. So we are always prefer that where we have consumed that maximum number of the ones. Okay, so that we have to prefer always. Understand? Now I'm going to the next one slide. Right? Like for the next one, the next question is, okay, please solve this one question. Solve this one question. Summation M 13 7, 11,
So
15.
you are not audible.
Okay. I'm not audible.
No, sir, you're perfectly audible. Suraj, I think there is problem on your side.
Okay, no issue. Like the question is summation M, okay, 1, 3, 7, 11, 15 with don't care 0, 2, and 5. All of you have solved this one question. I'll give you that this question on the in help you live also. Okay. Just a wait. I'm going to share this one question on help you live. Just a wait. Just a wait. So is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. All of you have, please open your help you live. Okay. There will be the question is given, right? Give your answer there. Give your answers in the help you live, okay? And see the question options are here. All of you have solved this one question quickly. If you can understand that how you can use your don't case, then you can easily do this one question. All of you have, please solve it quickly. Only 8 students have give this answer. Do it fast. One more question we have to done.
Sir, is it SOP or POS form?
This one question. If summation is
Yes,
there,
sir.
that means it's by default it is SOP. If summation is given,
Okay, sir.
I have forgot to write here that M. It is M here also. Summation M. Solve it. It's a very simple question. Give your answers quickly. All of you have done? Only 38 students have done this one. Do it fast. Two minutes is left. Solve this one question quickly. One, three, sorry, 137, 11, 15, 137, 11, 15. Then don't cares are 2, 0, and 5. It's a very simple question. Solve it quickly. Only 38 students have done. Okay. Let's see here how we can solve this one question. I'll not wait for them. Okay. So see here, these are the minterms, and the don't care is given 0, 2, and 5. Minterms are 1, 3, 7, 11, 15. Okay. So what will be the possible pair? Right. So the thing is, the first thumb rule here is you have to use that less number of the don't cares. Okay. So first thing in your mind that you can make that a pair as 0, 1, 3, and 2. Okay. This thing, I think that it is, first of all, this pair will be strike in your mind. Second pair, directly it is 3, 7, 15, and 11. Okay. So this one pair is correct. Okay. But this one pair is not correct. Why? Because you have used that a maximum number of the don't cares here. That means 2. If you are using that you can use that a pair as 1, 3, 5, and 7. Then you can see that in this one pair, only one don't care is used. Only one don't care is used. Understand? So the thumb rule is here that you have to use that a less number of the don't care. You do not use that a maximum number of the don't cares. Okay. So this one pair is totally wrong. Okay. What will be the right pairs? 3, 7, 15, and 11, 1, 3, 5, and 7. This is your right pair. So according to that, what is the expression? So expression here, first of all, write 3, 7, 15, and 11. So that will be C and D. Not C and D. Okay, it's in the form of W, X, Y, Z. Just a wait. Here it is W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. The function is given in the form of W, X, Y, Z. Right. So we have Y and Z. We have Y and Z for 3, 7, 15, and 11. For 1, 3, 5, 7, first of all, start with W. So W is constant. So that will have W bar. Okay. X is not constant. It's changing from 0 to 1. So leave it. Okay. Now check Y and Z. Y is not constant. It is changing from 0 to 1. But Z is constant. So it's W bar Z. Okay. So what will be the right answer? Right answer is A in this one question. Okay. All of you have clear? It's clear to all of you? Okay.
Yes, sir, clear.
Nitesh, now you will be having any doubt here? Okay. Okay. Vedic Gupta, you have also clear? Okay. Done. So like I am come to the next one point. Okay, if let's suppose that you will be having an option here like in this one way. Okay, I'll give you that one question here. In this one question, let's suppose that this concept is used for every one of the variable K-map, right? If let's suppose that you will be having a K-map here like in this one way, like 3 variable K-map you are using in the form of the summation M, and the value for summation M is 0, 1. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Can any one of you that tell me that what will be the pair? What is the pair? In this kind of the, if let's suppose that all the minterms are given and the complete cells are consumed with number of the ones. So what will be the maximum pair here?
Sir, all 8
So it will be
together.
the 8.
Take all pairs, sir.
So because 2 power 3, we can also take that option.
Sorry?
We will take all the 8 ones together.
Yes, it's a
Yes, sir,
octal.
all 8.
It's a octal pair. So if it is a octal pair, so what will be the value for this kind of the question? What is the value
0.
for this? What is the value for Y?
Sir, here nothing is common.
If nothing is common, then what will be the reduced expression for this?
So it is 0.
No,
So is it ground?
1.
no. The value for this one pair, okay, this octal, if all these cells are consumed with number of the ones here, okay, so the value for this kind of the pair is here at it is 1. Understand? If in the 3 variable or in the 2 variable or in the 4 variable, if all the cells are consumed by 1, then you will be having a maximum pair in the 2 variable as quad, in 3 variable as octal, like this one question, in 4 variable as hexa. Understand? So always in SOP form, the answer will be your 1. If it will be like a 0, if it will be like all the zeros here. Okay. Now you can tell me that what will be the answer. If
So
all the
0.
zeros here.
0.
Yes, absolutely right. It is 0. For POS, it is 0. And for SOP, it is 1. Understand? In every kind of the variable K-map, 2, 3, or 4. If all cells are consumed with same number, like with all the ones are there, all the zeros are there. Okay, if it will be given in SOP form, then by default it is 1. If it is given in POS form, then it is 0. Understand? So might be that this question will also ask in your final exams or in your MTE. Right? Understand? It is clear now?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So from my side, like this K-map is completed. Okay. But I want to give you that the 2 questions here. Okay. I want to, because I have left this one question. Okay. So this question is regarding your, that is BCD addition. Okay. This question is regarding your BCD addition. How we can do that a BCD addition, right? So we are performing now what is BCD addition. This question we have left there at that time, at the BCD time. Okay. Now we are going to do that a BCD addition here. Okay. So let's suppose that in BCD, like you know that there will be a total, how many terms are invalid? Total 6 terms are invalid in the BCD. Right? Total 6 terms are invalid in your BCD. So how we can solve this kind of the question? Let's suppose that we have an example for BCD addition. Okay. What kind of the example we have? Like the question is add 567, add, just a wait, first of all I'll delete this one. We have a question here, add 569, that is given in the decimal form, plus 687. Do this addition using BCD. So how we can do this one? Okay, now see here. In BCD, total 6 invalid terms. You have already aware about this thing. In BCD, we have total 6 invalid terms, right? So when we are going to add these, so 569, 687, right? The answer will be in decimal. It will be 1, 2, 5, and 6. How we can solve this one? First of all, write that each one of the decimal term into its BCD form. So let's write it 0, 1, 0, 1 for 5, 0, 1, 1, 0, right? Then 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, we have 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, 8, 1, 0, 0, 7, 0, 1, 1, and 1. Now add these all. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is there. 1 plus 1, 0, carry is there. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is here. So 1 plus 1 is again, that is 0. Now here carry is generated. This carry is shifted to the next one point, right? Now the next we have here, that is 1. This carry is given to the next one shift. Okay, so it will be 1. Now 1, 1, 0 and 1 is 1, right? Now here 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is generated, that will be your 1. Now you can check that BCD is from 0 to 9 only. Okay.
Sir, we have already
And
done
it's
this.
having a 4 digit. So that means total possible pairs are up to 15. That means 16 total possible pair up to
Excuse
15
me, sir.
decimal, right? Yes, please.
Sir, we have already done this, sir.
We have already done this thing.
Yes, sir.
I think that I have forgot this one.
No, sir, we have done this, sir. We need to be adding
Addition we
0,
have done.
0, right, sir?
Addition we have done.
That was
Yes,
access
sir.
3. This is not done, sir.
So addition
That was
is not.
access 3 code.
That I am asking. No, addition is not done. We have
Yes,
only
sir.
done with BCD concept. Addition is not done. Okay, so let's
Sir,
see
in
here.
my notes, I can check my BCD addition, sir. We have done the similar examples, sir. Now I think we'll be adding 0, 0 for the all invalid terms, right, sir?
Yes. That means
We
6
have
is
done
the
this in the
invalid
class,
here.
sir.
So if we have a invalid term in every decimal, okay, no issue. Like just complete this one example. If we have already done, it's just kind of revision. Okay. Then take it as a revision. Now, first of all, we can check that after the addition of these two. Okay. Let's check that all the numbers are valid or not. Like this is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that will be the invalid number. So every time if we have an invalid after the addition, so we have to add that binary 6 in every one of the number, which is invalid. Okay. Now add this binary 6 here, 0, 1, 1, and a 0. Again, this is an invalid number. So add that 6 here. Again, this is an invalid because 1, 0, 1, 1 is an invalid number in BCD. Okay. So add 6 here, 0, 1, 1, 0. After adding 6, it will be your 0, 1, 1, and 0. Now you can see that this is a valid number, that is your 6. Now here 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is generated. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry is generated. 1 plus 1 is 0, and carry is shifted to here. Okay, again 1 plus 1 is 0, right? So carry is generated. 1 1 1, carry is generated, right? It is 0, carry is generated. Then we have a 0 and we have a 1 here. Okay, so you can see that is your 5. This one is your 2. We have left 1, so we can add 3 extra zeros here. So that will be your 1. So 1256. Now this will be your valid number. Understand? All of you have understand this one concept?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Do you have that
No,
any
sir.
doubt here? Okay. If you have any doubt, then you can ask here. Okay. I'm going to start with once again. Okay. I have to done that last one topic. Okay. I want to complete this one last one. Okay. So we are talking about that your parity generator. Okay. So in that one particularly parity generator, how we can complete, how we can done this thing. For the particular parity generator, like we can do that for your even parity, it will be your even, or it can also your odd. Okay. It maybe depends upon that you will be having a 2-bit parity or you will be having a 3-bit parity. Okay. So here we have to done that a 2-bit only. Okay. So first of all, we are going to check that the generator. So in that one, for your even, like we are going to check that it is a even parity or not. Okay, for 2 variable. Like for 2 variable, we have 0, 0. So is this a even parity? Okay. So in the digital, it's not considered as a even parity. It's considered as an odd one or it's considered as a even one. So we are going to check that. So as I have already told you in the parity form, if is there any error, if error is there, then it will be considered by 1. If no error, okay, then it will be considered as your 0. Right? So that is an even parity. That means there is no error. So it will be your 0. Okay. It will be having an error for the odd parity. Yes. Why? Because it's not an odd parity. It's an even parity. So that's why no error is here in the PE. For PO, it will be having an error because this is not an odd parity. Now for 0, 1. For 0, 1, in the even parity, we have yes, we have an error. Okay. But in odd parity, we have not any error. Again for 1, 0, yes, for even, it's having an error, but not an error for the odd. For 1, 1, okay, it's even 1, 1 is your even. Okay. So it means no error here in PE, but error here in P odd. Right. Similarly, you can also do that for your 3 variable, like in this way, for A, B, C. Right. So this will be your at transmitting end. Okay. Now at the receiving end, we have, this is your generator. This one is your generator. And at the receiving end, okay, just a wait. At your particularly receiving end, you will be having that parity checker. Okay, so we are going to check that the parity is there or not. Okay, first of all, complete this one at the generator side, right? So here, how we are going to check that at the generator, right? So it will be checked like we have to check that for even parity. Okay. So for even parity, we are going to check that where the number of the ones are there. Okay. According to that one, we have the ones here. Okay. For the PE, we want to write the expression for the even parity. So the expression is, it's A bar B plus AB bar. Right. So it will be like XOR gate. Okay, that is your PE. Understand? So that will be your generator. Right? For odd parity, you will be having A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar plus AB. So that means XNOR. That means we have an XNOR for odd parity in 2 variable, right? Similarly, you can do that for 3 variable also. Okay. Now at the receiving end, we are going to check that. Okay, how we are going to check that? In the receiving end, we have A, B, and PE. Okay, that means this parity is now introduced in the 2 variable, 1 extra bit with your parity. At the receiving end, we have received that 1 extra bit. Okay, now here we are going to check that the code that we have received here, okay, it will be a correct or not according to the even. First of all, for 0, 0, it's not correct. That means error is there. For 0, 0, 1, okay, again error. Sorry, 0, 0, no error, because this is an even. But here for 0, 0, 1, it is 1, right? For 0, 1, 0, again error. For 0, 1, 1, it's even. Number of the ones are even, so that means no error. 1, 0, 0, number of the ones are 1, so it will be having error. 1, 0, 1, number of the ones are 2, that means no error. 1, 1, 0, again 2, no error. 1, 1, we have an error here. Understand? So if you want to write the expression for this one, how you can write the expression for this? Okay. So the expression for this one is, for the checker, we have here this one, and this one we are considering. Okay. So it will be like A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, PE plus A bar, B, PE bar for the second one. For third one, plus A, B bar, PE bar, right? Then we have A, B, PE. A, B, PE. Okay. So what will be the common term? The common term are here from first and last. From first and last, that common term is PE. We have A bar, B bar plus AB. Okay. Then PE bar from 2 and 3. PE bar from 2 and 3. So we have A bar B plus AB bar. Okay. So what will be it will be your XNOR PE A. Like you can write that XNOR in this one way. PE A XNOR B in this one way. Okay, having bar with XOR plus PE bar A XOR B. Right? You can see that again it's having A B bar plus A bar B. So that means this expression can be written as A XOR B XOR PE. So if you want to draw the logic diagram, then how you can draw the logic diagram for this one? Okay, so you can draw the logic diagram like you will be having A and B as XOR. Okay, that is your A and B. Then it is again XOR with your PE. So this will be the logic diagram for your checker, and this will be the logic diagram for generator. Any doubt here? All of you have clear? Any doubt here? It is clear to all of you? Please reply here.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
All of you have clear?
Yes, sir.
So from Monday, from Monday, we are going to start with that the next one unit, that is unit number 3. Okay. From my side, all the topics for unit number 2 will be covered here. Okay. If you have still any doubt, then you can ask here right now. I'll solve your doubt.
So today's attendance?
Like in the Zoom, like there is no any kind of the attendance. Okay. This this class is like, you can just take that class because we have lots of the syllabus to cover up. Okay. So due to this, I'll take that this extra class.